Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Walk up to the Depot Terminal and press E to open its interface. Stand within 5 meters to ensure the terminal responds consistently. The interface shows container and player inventories side by side for clear transfers. Use your mouse to drag and drop or double-click items for single transfers. Hold the E key or use the Interact button to initiate bulk moves when allowed. The terminal will highlight eligible items and show stack sizes before you confirm any transfer. Use Shift-click to move entire stacks instantly between inventories for fast sorting. Drag and drop items to position them where you want within the terminal view. Double-click an item to quickly transfer a single stack or slot without dragging. Pay attention to stack size numbers and weight indicators before finalizing moves. Confirm transfers when the interface prompts you to avoid accidental movement of rare items. Use the search box to filter by name and speed up large inventory management sessions. Open the terminal settings to enable auto-sort and keep inventories organized by type and rarity. Use the search field to filter items by exact name or partial tag for fast retrieval. Monitor weight and quantity readouts to avoid over-encumbering dinos or players during transfers. Lock important slots to prevent accidental transfers of rare components or weapons during bulk moves. Use quick access favorites for commonly transferred items to reduce repeated searching. Log out only after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.